Good. Need a haircut. Oh shit. When did I start streaming? Oh well. Um, didn't really realize I had started. Alright, so I pull up Twitch chat on here so I can see what's going on. Okay, perfect. Set that right there. And we're gonna go ahead and see if we can get my VTuber examples set up because I want to take commissions for these. Let's see. Taking commissions. Update that. Do 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 do. Okay. So you set this to green. And we want to go ahead and also combine scene with this other scene. Do I have Bolt installed? Package manager. Will Bolt do everything I need it to is the question. So what needs to happen? Let's make a little notepad. So basically, on these objects, there's this face cap receiver script. Receiver script. And that needs to, does it need to turn off? Does not need to be disabled, just the character object. And by character object, I mean this right here in that list. What's this? It's for what's that attached to? No, let's get rid of that. Okay. So yeah. Now the goal is to bring in the other character as well. Characters. Let's go to Dariax's scene. Dariax face cap. Nice, nice. Let's go ahead and. Okay, so actually everything is already set up. We've got these prefabs. So let's go ahead and make a folder. vTuber. Cool. In that one, we're going to create a brand new scene, and we'll call this vTuber collection. VTubers, plural. Perfect. So we'll go in here. We're going to take Dorian and Dariax. Dariax face cap. Drop him in. Find him. See what he looks like. He looks pretty good. Dorian face cap. Right there. Rotate them. Boom. Just kind of want them roughly positioned in the same spot. And now we're also going to create an empty. We're going to call this vTuber controller. Perfect. And we'll just drop these in there as well. As for the camera, where is it? There. We're bring it in, put it down, do something like that, and then change the field of view a little bit. Something a little flatter. And also change this to 0, 1. Zoom in. Zoom in. Okay. Pick the lighting real quick. So now, got these two set up. All right, in Dariax. Everything is correct here. And then let's just see what happens when we hit play. And problems. And we'll also test with the iPhone. So here's the magic part. Face cap. Go live. Okay, they're both working. Perfect. So we really just need, that's fine, some way to switch them. Yeah. The goal is this. This is supposed to be an overlay. I want to make this an overlay. Or do I? Let's think about that for a second. It can be its own window. No, that's a lie. It can just be its own window. And be its own window. OBS chroma key. Fine. Okay. Perfect. Now we make the background just a solid color. And it's going to be a real ugly green. GB. Okay. Yeah. Solid green. Perfect. And now what we want to do is add, oh, the camera looks real bad. Let's move. Yeah, forward like that. Okay, something like that. Message on Discord. Okay, so they're both working. What I need now is just a simple script, UI, button. Oh, my brain, my tiny brain. Okay, 16. Let's just change it to a nicer. Yeah, 16:9. Got the button. We just want to double check this canvas. I'll drop the canvas in there too. Actually, everything can go in here. So this directional light. Directional light can stay up. What if that? My voice is going. Okay, center global. Perfect. Then for this canvas here, screen space overlay. Let's close this animation window. Bada boom. Button stays the same size. So it's definitely something we would want to change. Overlay, constant pixel size, scale with screen size. Perfect. Okay, now look at this from the very front. Button. We want you to be parented to the bottom left corner. We're just going to call it, for now, button text here. Swap. Wow. Get that waps. Sorry, I shouldn't clap on stream. Okay. So, what will this do? This will what will it do? We could be real simple and just make a little animator. That way there's no scripting. Easy to swap, change later. Sure. So, uh, need to think about this. Ideally, we would just create an array of game objects we can put as many characters into and just hit swap till we get to them, or a button per character. But in this case, since there's just one character, I think it'd be totally fun to just have it clickable. Yeah, because I can design whatever system I need for whatever streamer needs. Doesn't most streamers will not need multiple characters first. Okay, so just a swap thing for now. So this button will look to this animator on the VTuber controller. And we'll call this create an animator. Where should my eyes go? Animator control. V or Dorian. VTubers swap. Boom. And we'll create two animations. It's fine. What? Just get in there, please. So, first one is we do want it like that. First one is create VTuber animals here, and this will be Dorian on. Say it. And we'll just turn both of these off. This could already be problematic. Why did the text get so bad? Reference resolution 1600 by 12. I don't know. That doesn't help. 10. 500. So it doesn't help. Button text. I should have used. Let's delete this really quick. Delete canvas UI button TextMess Pro. Yes. And you can just import them later. For now, button looks so much better. Why isn't that just the standard? Why would you want anything else? Swap. I'll just rename this to button swap. As you do, make sure it is centered to that bottom right corner. And move it around. Right about there. Can't see the canvas. Does it stay in the right spot? Yes, it does. Okay. Text. Just make the font a little bit smaller. Perfect. Okay. So now, got this animator. The goal is keep these off. Or we want them on at the first moment because yeah, we want them off on at the first moment. So animation, uh, new animation, both off. Okay. And just hit the record button, select, turn off. Okay. Now back here, Dorian on. We go again, hit the record button, Dorian on, Dariax off. Perfect. How do I lock? I want to lock it to that. Weird that it. All right, we can just add property. Dariax face cap is active. False. Perfect. It's beautiful. Now we go ahead and add another clip. Dariax on. Bada boom. Add property. Dariax is active. Yes. Add property. Dorian is active. No. Delete those. Okay, perfect. Yep. Dariax, Dorian, and both off. uh, oh, wait. Did I do that right? Both off. Dariax on. Dorian on. Okay. Oh, and then we go ahead and set up the animation animator for you. And delete, delete, delete. Back to anims. Both off. You are the entry one. Because I want them on when the game first starts to make sure that the face cap works. So goes in there and then just immediately transitions to no need for exit time. Just immediately go to Dariax on and we will go to parameters. We're going to add a trigger swap declaration then for best practices. And now we'll go ahead and drag Dorian on back to here. And we'll make a transition. Bam. No exit time. Not that there's any time. And just do it when it hits swap and send one back. No exit time. Do it when it hits swap. Perfect. Oh, and then we go back to the scene and we make sure that this button here will take the vTuber controller and you're gonna no, that's wrong. Game object animator set trigger. Okay, just set trigger 0, animator. Well, there's only one thing, so it must be animator 0. Go here. Explain. Launch 0 does not exist. Noise. Animator. Send message string. Okay, just really quickly going into a Google search. Unity set trigger but with but. You're just sending it. Shouldn't be a int animator set trigger. Oh, of course. Swap. Save. But also when it first started, entry. Yeah, you should go there. How do I make it so it just automatically goes again? I guess I just make another bool on true. Yeah, if on is true, go there. Then swap when triggers. And as for these animations, loop, perfect. Loop time. Oh, you didn't need to loop. That's probably what it was. I just want to test that. Should just play this. No, needs. Wait, it wasn't done playing. Okay. Is out of condition. On. True. Okay. Play. What? Should just be immediate. Um, shorten. There we go. And the other one. Shorten that. Drag over. See. Choice. Now, double checking. Connect. Blah, 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 blah. It's working. Ah. Okay. And ooh, his normals are broken. Why the fuck he looks so bad? Characters, Dariax. Dariax rig. Legacy balance shape. Well. Play again. Okay, much better. Ooh. Nice. What next? All right, now we're gonna save that, and we're gonna saved it. Now we're gonna make a build file, build settings. Delete those. Add OpenSea. Build. Let's go to make a new folder for vTuber. To making a build. Okay, so should change the name of the project. That's okay. Play. Made with Unity. Oh, it's looking good. Now we can go to OBS. I'm just gonna expand this. I'm gonna add a. Perfect. We got a window capture to DairyX face cam. Perfect. And let's add a filter. This will be chroma key. Okay. Perfect. Close. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have a working thing. You know, a thing. It's working now. Let's move from up top. Boom. I'm going to move my camera. Webcam. Hello. And we're going to take this, move my iPhone up here. I need a stand for this. But for now, it works. Connect. Ooh. Ah, it's working. Mm, mm. So, as you can see, I've got everything kind of set up, and now I can record stuff. Wait, what am I doing? OBS. And turn off the display capture, so it's a little easier to see. But yeah, so this is a thing I can do, and oh yeah, there's one more guy I can do this with. Right. Oh, yeah. His forehead is shiny. Got that shiny forehead. Yeah, no. Next step would be to add some better lighting conditions, and then, of course, I can always change lighting conditions for your application. Should any streamers out there want a VTuber like this, think of your D&D campaigns and how much life you can add to them. It's just holding his arms out as you do. um, yeah, that's pretty simple. Getting better with Unity. Uh, but yeah, so you can totally do a lot of stuff with this. Where, you know, play games, yada yada. I should probably make dinner soon. Ooh. Yeah, it's funny. It's like, is that expression natural? Same. It's the same mouth. It's me. Mm. Oh yeah. Let's go here. Yeah, I wish I could set up some hotkeys to really quickly change, but then I have to learn all the OBS hotkeys. It sounds like a lot of work. His teeth are a little funky. Yeah, next time I will merge the beard. I'm getting so much better at making these faces. Made a little sculpture yesterday morning, and he came out pretty well. Oh yeah. Also, there's like dynamics. I really should have. Can you? If I go, if I stand up, no, it doesn't help. Oh man, see his necklace. See it, just a little bit. Anyway, it is what it is. So I make cool things. You want me to make cool thing you? Okay. Let me get some water. I'll be right back. See, what I really need to do is I need to make a bunch of really anime uh, looking characters because that's what's in, of course. Pretty cool to see it come to life. I really, ideally, my phone would be like right here, just right in the middle of the screen, and that way I'm the most, um, it's most centered. Because I know, just like I'm looking down ways. I had it here. Yeah, something like that. That would be ideal. Then it's not blocking much of my screen. Perfect. Yeah. Oh, that's really good. Okay. It's nice because I can set it up and it wouldn't block anything. But now I have to buy a phone stand. For now, I'm just kind of nestling it on. Yeah, I'll just show you. Check it out. So it's just right here. See me. Enough of that. Enough of that nonsense. Okay. Oh, it's time for a haircut. I just get that Lego hair so quickly. Okay. It's already 7 p.m. my time, and I'm old. So I'm getting pretty tired. Might go to bed soon. Man, I hope I can get some, I don't know, motion controllers for hands eventually. That would be super cool. Huh. Does ARKit do that? That would be interesting to find out. Bet I could make that. Bet I could do that. But that takes time. Too much time. Oh, fun. It's got a little lip split. Let's fix that at some point. I should probably make dinner and go to bed. Well, thank you, everyone that's tuned in. Not as much art this time around, but yeah, for the next couple of streams, I'll probably have these characters going while I make things. Um, I have to figure that out. Can I make this chat overlay? Chat window. Chat settings. Show da 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 da. Chat appearance. I need to overlay. Some pause chat messages. No, no. Well, I'll figure that out. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe or follow, whatever. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Wednesday? Yeah, I should have a lot more time to work on stream. I might be on there all day, actually, just doing art and shit. More of this stuff. I got another character to animate. I'm gonna start making like a roster of NPC style characters um, for another application, or just to show off and more stuff to my portfolio. Um, yeah, that's the plan, man. Anyway, thank you again for tuning in. Catch you tomorrow, and have a great night.